Bit by Bit Code channel. In this today video, we will going to learn about the extracting the API that looks something like this. Inside the API, we have seen extracting the API and using the Axios and using the promises and using the async await. Now, now next, the what we need to do in the sense uh, just we are extracting the data inside the console. Now, what we need to do in the sense we need to display the data something like this on the screen. So now, it's not just a project or for the practice purpose. I'm just showcased you like how can you use your API, like how can you display the data on the screen. So now, here, if I search something that need to be displayed, like if I search iPhone, only iPhone need to be there on the screen. Now, I have simple, simple data inside this one. Like I am having one, three laptops and three mobile phones, and color of that one, and price of that one. Like it's inside. You can just like it's a dummy number, or else you can just imagine that say dollar sign, like using the dollar something like that, so we can replace that one. That is not a big deal. So now this is the main reason. Now what's the condition, like how to add this one, like in the sense here inside this input you can here I know that this styling is not good that much, but I have written a simple styling so for that to explain you. So what we need to do here is like I will explain the logic, then I will write the code one like here, then we will see the output that looks something like this. So what we need to do first here, by default this one need to be displayed, okay, that can be done. And then second thing, what we need to do, like if the user search something here like something laptop, mobile or iPhone or anything, that need to be, when a user clicks on this button, that need to be displayed only that particular item. So that I haven't added that logic, I was thinking to showcase in front of you only. So I will check that one and directly let you know how to use that one. So now we will start without wasting our time. Okay. And I will pause the video and I will just write the CSS so that directly you can copy paste. Like why? Because it will be like again wasting of time, like your time and my time also. Okay. Now here, what I will do, I will add the HTML. So first here, I will add the one section main something, so that it should be perfectly placed everything inside main only. And then okay, first I will add one div for our header section. Okay, inside this one input. Okay, and then type is to text, and then id is to input input value. And then second one is button and search. And here I will add something as like item only, search item, or else search only, that's it. And then okay, that's it. And I will add the table. Inside the table I will add one tr. Okay. And table head tr, table row, and then table data. Okay. Serial number, for currently I'm adding the serial number. Later we will see how to add a dynamic ids automatically, like after sorting also id need to be generated. And then td, like name, and then td. Okay, td is to image, color, and then last one is the price. Okay, up to here we have completed. And the next one is the table body. That table body is a dynamic that can be generated automatically from the this one JavaScript, or else you can say from the API. Then table footer. Okay, inside the table footer, what we are having, we will be having okay, that the price and total price. And I will add here ID as a table body. Okay, currently I'm adding this one. So when I will, after pausing this video, I will let you know like what are the changes I have made. Why? Because I need to write the CSS for this one. And then table footer. Okay, that's it. And here, like I will save this one. Okay, and already I have written linked the CSS. I need to write the CSS now. Okay, I have made it like minute changes. Here I have added the class, and here I added the like ID, and here I added the ID also here also. So like just make sure that what are the lines we have missed. You can just rewrite once again. Like we are not focusing on the like front end. So like the main thing is to like understand about the logic, and here is the CSS. Okay, and here I used the descendant selector and like direct selector, like the parent, like inside the parent, like is there any input, then it will be selected automatically by using this arrow mark. Okay, so if you like it need to be learned the CSS, then you can go to my playlist, and into my YouTube channel you can just see my CSS playlist. There you can watch this one about the CSS. Now, next we will come back to this one, and I have already linked the index.js. Okay, now I'll move to the index.js. Okay, and we have moved to our index.js. Inside this one, like I have created one product, like one array of object. Inside this one, this object is containing the information about our like mobile or else the devices, like whatever like you want to say. So what I have written, like just now I have written a serial number. Like later we will check about the dynamically, like how to do that one, and how to insert the keys. So later we'll check about that one. Next, name, image, color, type, price. So I written this type. Why? Because like if the user is just writing just a mobile, okay, inside the search box, if a user is writing just mobile, so then what it need to happen? All the mobiles need to be displayed on the screen. If the user writes laptop, only laptop need to be displayed on the screen. So this is the one use case. Like I have written only taken the just dummy data. If you want, like here the internet is not working for me, so like later I will check what is the issue. So here what you can do in the sense, like just go to the one of the JSON generator. Okay, JSON dummy generator or something is their name. I will provide inside the description, so you can just take down like what are the things, like we can use the APIs, like OMBD API is there, or else many like APIs, fake APIs are there. We can use any one of them. And here and these images, like I have taken from the Google. So you can take from either Google from, or else if it is generating the proper image, then that's fine. I have taken from multiple different sources. So just to display the images. Okay. So what we can do here? So first thing we need to like extract the data of which one, like okay, first we will take the this input. Okay. First I will take this input const input is equal to document dot get element by id of that input. And then next what we are having, okay, next we'll be having the search. I written all of them as id so that extracting the data can be easy. Button, okay, sorry, search button, document dot get element by id as search. Okay, two things we have taken. And next, I will check like what are the things we need to take. Okay, one is the table body and the table footer. And if anything is required, we will take that later and extract the data from later. Okay, document dot get element by ID, and just paste that one so that it should not happen the mistakes while writing like alphabet caps and small is equal to document dot get element by ID, and then here it will work now. Okay, I think this is enough for us to extracting a data. So I will use I will create one function like okay, extract input, or like I will create like some function so that should be like properly like understanding for everyone. Like I will just insert data. Okay, insert data, and then inside this one I will add one this one. Okay, so that it should be helpful. Prod. Okay, already we have written as products so that it should not confuse. So I'm writing prod. Okay, prod in the sense like product only, short form I written. And then I will call this function insert data of inside this one. I need to call that product. this one original upside array, this array. Okay, here this array we need to call inside this one. Like next, what we need to do here? First, if anything is there inside this one, that need to be empty. Like inside the body, if anything is present already, okay, already table body we have taken. So I will do table body dot inner HTML. Okay, inner HTML is to empty. Okay, and then after that, I will do like for price, I will create one like global price is to 0 so that it can be added later for all the products. Then prod dot for each. Okay, for each, inside this for each, it accept one callback function, and inside this callback function I will write something as product. Okay, product. Okay, yeah. Now this product need to be like everything is present inside this product only now. Like this entire array, this entire array is present inside this product now. Now like what we need to do in the sense like I need to insert this data inside this table body. So what I will do here, again I will call this table body dot inner HTML. Okay, inner HTML is to backtick, and inside this backtick, I need to insert the data. So what I will do, I will call just copy paste this one. Okay, tr. Okay, this tr, and I will paste here, and this tr like I will do, I will remove this class for currently. Okay, we don't require that one. Table row. Okay, that's it. And okay, now what we need to do, we need to use the template literal so that we can extract that we can use this one variables product. Okay, and this one need to be placed inside something like this so that what will happen, this serial number will be always like extracting from this one API. And then okay, dollar sign product dot name. Okay, and for image, like we will be having little bit change here, img, and image is self closing tag. Okay, image self closing tag, and here src is equal to, okay, here something like this. And then here what I need to do, inside this one I need to add this dollar sign and product dot image. That's it. And up to this one we have completed. And here for image, okay, like I will add height and width, height as 100 pixel. That will be enough, I think so. Okay, 100 pixel. And then width is to 100 pixel. I think this is enough. And now about the color. Okay, now about the color, product dot, okay, product dot color. Okay, product dot color, that's it. And then later price. Now price for each and every each and every product should have a price, and overall price should be there. Two things we need to have, product dot price. Okay, for overall price, okay, I already have written here. So just what I will do, I will write one I will just call that one, and I will use the assignment operator plus is equal to product. Okay, product dot price. Okay, overall price. And here for HTML also, if I write something like this, it will be calling for only one element. So like what I need to do, I need to call the previous element plus the current element. So for that I will use the assignment operator, something as this plus here. So what will happen here, previous plus current one, both will be added. Okay, and I will just format this one. Okay, format document with prettier. Okay, something. Okay, somewhat it has been good. Okay, and then is there anything pending? Okay, we will check later. And already I think I have started the port. Okay, serial number is undefined, and apart from that everything is working. And now here we need to add this search icon. Okay, this search icon is not working for now. And then footer is also not added. Okay, we'll be adding one by one now. Okay, now again we need to, what we need to have, we need to add the table footer, table body, like table footer. dot inner HTML. Okay, table footer dot inner HTML plus is equal to, and then backticks, and then again here table row. Okay, table row, and then like writing something like this without shortcut is a like headache for me. Okay, why? Because it's been a lot of. Okay, and then TD. Inside this TD, what I need to have, I need to have two things basically, like uh, this total. Okay, just a second, I will show you. The total need to be present like up to one column, two column, three column, four column, up to like four column. We need to have this this one total. And okay, for that we need to use the row span and call span. So here we will just using the call span. Call span is equal to 4. If you don't aware of call span, just while writing, just remove that one and check what it will be presenting. Strong. Okay, strong. I think few of you know and few of you don't know like what is strong, in the sense like it is a uh what we can say, bold. Okay, total price, and then uh here again one another TD. Okay, TD. We will close this one, and here we need to call this dollar sign and this total. So what I written, price I written. Okay, I written this price, so I will call this price. That's it, and I will save this one, and we will go back once again to this one and check now. Okay, now everything is working, and the main thing is like here one or two things are missing. I think call span. Okay, I will check later what are the things we are missing. Okay, and okay, the thing from HTML. Okay, inside this table, we will be adding border 1 pixel. Yeah, now it is working little bit good. So the that call span, what it will do, this one, this column, second column, third column, and fourth column. It will try to occupy this up to four columns. So I think you have understood. Okay, and then we don't require this one currently, and then this one is working, and this serial number is now that is having one small issue that need to be checked. Okay, I think this one is small s or capital S. Yeah, that one is small s. Okay, now everything is working perfectly. Now, the thing is only one thing is pending, that is the search icon. Now, like how to search this one, in the sense okay, already this JSON, if you want, you can just, okay, I will do one thing. I will just paste inside the description. Maybe that can be helpful for you. Okay, okay, now what I will do, I will use the search button now. Search dot add event listener. This add event listener accept basically basically two things, but by default it is having one another one, that is the boolean, that is neglectable. Okay, that will be false only by default, so we don't need to write once again. Only two arguments are enough for that add event listener. Now that is enough. Search dot add event listener, that's it. And then now what the main thing is, uh okay, I need to extract the data, okay, I have written this mobile here, but how will you get to know that user has written mobile only? Means this value need to be stored somewhere, right? So for that, what I will do, I will add data, okay, is equal to uh, okay, input, we have written, right? Okay, input dot, okay, input dot value dot to lowercase, so that user sometimes what will happen, user can add in lowercase or else in uppercase, like maybe one caps and one small. We don't know like how the user we will adding. So from as a developer, what we need to do, we need to add these things by default like previous only, so that everything should be working perfectly without bugs. Okay, next, const filtered, okay, filtered data is equal to products, that call that original products, products dot filter. This one filter method is one of the array method that is used to filter the data. Okay, in that I will add pro, so as a like a shortcut, and then uh, return. Return, inside this return, what I need to add in the sense like pro dot name. Like sometimes I will search from as a name. Okay, to lowercase and then dot includes what it should need, it need to be include that data that user is typing. Okay, this data need to be called here, or okay, I'll just copy once again this one. I will paste here as a product dot not name, product dot this one type as a mobile, or else like what he is searching. So this is the thing. Now this need to be called inside okay, this data it's getting printed. Okay, I will show you what will happen. It is going to return. Okay, just okay, if it is, just imagine it is going to return this one data, but but this data need to display it somewhere, right? So for that reason, what I need to do, I need to call this function. Like inside this function, what we are having all these things. That means this component, these things can be reused again. So what is the function name? Like here, insert data. Okay, insert data. Okay, why am okay? It's getting inside. Okay, I will write outside of this one. Uh, insert data of filtered data, so that by default this will be printing if the data is user is getting searched, only this thing need to be present on the screen. So I will refresh the screen, maybe now it should work. Mobile. Okay, okay, somewhere it is getting failed, so we need to check what's the thing. To lowercase. Okay, line number 91. In this line number 91 it is getting failed. To lowercase. Okay, I think it should not have the issue. Okay, it's a instead of this aerial view, it is just a value. I think now it should work. Yeah. Now you can see the total price and the actual price both are getting printed. And here you can just what you can do in this sense, like you can practice and add the some more new features, something only the present price. Okay, only the current price, and remove this. You can, I know that you can remove this 5,394 price by default. We are getting right, so we can remove this one. And apart from here, what are the things we can do in the sense? Okay, add a proper UI and add few more products, and make sure that create one home page, and create one products, and create one page as added to cart. And then okay, we can do few more things, and maybe in the upcoming video, I'll be starting projects also. That might be helpful for you. Okay, for as of now, I'm having only one thing to showcase you, that was extracting the data and displaying the data on the screen. That was the main motive of this video. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and I will just upload the entire code to one cloud, and I will just paste that okay link in that description. You can get this code, okay, you can get this code, and you can just copy paste that code and understand the code. Thanks for watching the video, and if you interested in learning something new things like this, you can just comment inside this video, and just comment yes or out of 10, what are the things, how much this it was useful for you. Thanks for watching the video.